Bosem. I'm Dr. Bosem's son. I'm 20 years old and I'm getting LASIK surgery today. I'm super excited. I've been waiting for this for a good amount of time, and I've been wearing glasses for about as long as I can remember, so I'm super excited to finally get out of that and be able to wake up and go to sleep every day without having to deal with contact lenses or glasses or anything like that. It's been super easy. Everyone here has been super helpful when I did my testing before I got the surgery, and then today so far everything has been fantastic. I know exactly what to expect, and it's been super simple and super easy.